Trap Red with another Trap Red YouTube video. We're gonna take another look at these baby birds. I think they're back in the nest. At least one of them still is. I saw the parents, both parents. Another look at the thumbstick with the flagpole. Got a stingray, twin stingray. It's just been sitting there. It was under cover now. The old lady took the cover. It was a shower curtain, so I got to get a different cover for it. Seat's getting wasted because of the sun. Anyways, here, let's go over here. Check this out. Cool, quiet. Maybe we won't scare them away this time. They're gonna fly. They're already flying, so maybe we can get one last glimpse of them up here before they go completely. We'll see. Gotta be quiet. Oops. I want to touch the wrong button. Empty. They're all out. No more birds in here. So there's a mother right there. Look, she's still guarding the nest. She's very defensive. It's not a sparrow. That's the mother bird. She's very defensive. Maybe it's the father. I don't know. It looks like some kind of waxed wing, perhaps. Look at the head. I don't know. I have to look it up on my Autobahn. I'm not familiar with that bird. I thought this was a nest of ruby-throated sparrows, but this bird seems very territorial about this area. You don't know what the deal is, but you can see the bird. I hope. It's right on the eaves of the house. I don't know, I can never aim this camera right, so hopefully we're getting it for you. Alright, this could be a short one because I've been told that my videos are too long. Anyways, I think the ruby-throated sparrows have come up over. They hang out over here at Tom's. Look, there's a parent bird. There's the mother or something of the nest. There's the male, it looks like. But those aren't sparrows. She's not. That's not a common English sparrow. I don't know. Looks like it could be a type of sparrow. But no, I don't think so. It's another type of bird. A cedar waxwing, no. I think that's the female. I think the male, see how she's up on the rooftop? I think the babies are still probably nesting in the nest. And they're out, you know, flying around. Or they're somewhere in these bushes. Because they're very territorial. The babies are out and they're about. But I don't know where they are. See how she's here? It's kind of cool. Anyway, I don't want to be. There's another one. There's one. Look, see? See how they are? Very territorial. Babies around somewhere. I don't know where they are. But you can hear them. Birds are very excited. Look, see? So the babies are about, I don't know where. Oh, see, she just came out of the nest. It's not a sparrow. It's definitely not a sparrow. There she is. That's their nest. I have yet to identify that type of bird. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's a gnat catcher. Look. Okay. Come in here and put this away and we can film them. They're still tending the nest and the babies aren't even there. Or maybe they've commandeered the nest and appropriated from the other ones. It's hard to say. It could be multiple birds using the same nest. But those are a nesting pair of birds that are now taking over the nest. And I believe the first pair was sparrows, but I don't know what type of bird that is. It's not a sparrow. It's bigger than a sparrow. I'll look it up for you. Correction on the first lizard movie too. Those weren't alligator lizards. Those lizards were western fence lizards, and I mistakenly called the one alligator lizard. And we have alligator lizards just like we have skinks, but the alligator lizards are bigger usually, and they're browner. They look different. They're more mottled in color. They don't have the variation of the dark and light where they showed blue. They're more of a brown and a golden brown, grayish mottled. They look more like an alligator. Anyways, they're fairly large. Some of them get fairly large. But the western fence lizards, which they apparently have gone to hiding now because of the heat of the day, the western fence lizards are members of the iguana family. So they're a type of iguana lizard, actually. I'm learning as I go too. I didn't realize I was that ignorant, but you know, we're not educated as much as we should be in the right things. We're educated more in the wrong things. In this country, our education's taken a real nosedive. There's one. There's a fence lizard, and that's why they call it fence lizard.